Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the discharge air grill on this Carrier Gree ETAC heat pump unit, you will need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin, be sure to turn the unit off and disconnect the power supply. Remove the unit's front panel by pulling the bottom of the panel out to release it from the tabs, then lift up. Set the panel down on a towel or blanket. Since the discharge air grill can be installed with the fins angled upward or downward, note the orientation of the old grill. Then use the number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 7 screws, securing the grill to the panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can remove the old grill. To install the new discharge air grill, align it in the panel with the fins tilted at the desired angle, and thread the 7 screws to secure. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the tabs over the top rail. Then push the bottom of the panel in until it snaps into place. Restore power to the unit, and the ETAC heat pump system should be ready for use.